Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is day 6 of my 12 days of Christmas giveaway. So we are halfway there. We have 6 more gifts to do. Today's gift is another small one, but one of my absolute favorite products in the whole wide world. And it is a small little kit. It is the Burt's Bees Replenishing Kit. In it, you're going to receive a full-size pomegranate Burt's Bees and then a full size of their nourishing body lotion. I love Burt's Bees, especially the pomegranate. I have like 5 tubes of it. I have one in every purse, my nightstand, my car, my office desk. I find that it's just so moisturizing and emollient on my lips, and it doesn't cause them to get, I know it sounds silly, but the EOS lip balms and like chapstick dry out my lips so that I'm always having to use them. The Burt's Bees, it doesn't do that. I just can put it on my lips and then it provides moisture for me throughout the day. It's a great smell. It's made of beeswax. It's natural, so it's a really great product to use. I also love having, like in the winter, like a little tube of moisturizer in my purse. So after I wash my hands, I can moisturize, and I really like how gentle the Burt's Bees moisturizer is and how it just smells like milk and honey. So when I was in Target, I saw that they had a kit of 2 of my favorite things, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to give this away to somebody. So today's gift is the Burt's Bees Naturally Nourishing Milk and Honey Body Lotion and the Replenishing Pomegranate Lip Balm. So that is the gift for today. To enter this to enter this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my Sunshine 1811 channel, it's the channel you're watching, and leave me a comment of something that you are wanting for Christmas this year. That is all you have to do. And then on December 27th, I will use random.org to randomly select a subscriber, and that person is going to receive a box full of all the goodies from the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 5. Bye.